good.
Again.
Mark, get set, go. He caught you in the air. He caught you in the air. Mark caught you like this.
Are you
He
done?
caught you like this. He caught
Are
you
we
in the
done?
air.
Number one.
Okay,
Are we done?
Mark, get set, go.
You're gonna fall over.
Huh?
He's gonna fall over.
No, I knew how far he could go.
That was good.
Go. Are you done?
No game.
Mark, get set, go.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That was good, Chase. That was fast.
Again. Again.
Again.
Mark, get set, go.
But you're not jumping.